tossing and turning at night. Welcome to day 3 of my smoothie week. Today, we're making the natural sleep medicine a cherry banana recovery smoothie that helps you fall asleep faster and wake up refreshed. The star ingredient today is cherries. Did you know cherries are a natural source of melatonin? That's the hormone that regulates your sleep cycle. I'm blending 1 cup of cherries with a ripe banana. Bananas are loaded with magnesium and potassium, which act as natural muscle relaxants to ease the tension after a long day. I'm adding yogurt and a splash of milk for creaminess. These help calm your mind for better sleep. No sugar needed, just blend until smooth. Drink this about an hour before bed for the best results. It's light, delicious, and the perfect way to end your day. Try this for a better night's rest. And I'll see you tomorrow for day 4's energy boost.